Hi guys, it's your Mooregirl coming back with you. How you guys doing? This is design number 4 for this master bathroom. Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, I am redesigning my master bathroom and doing like a nice little makeover. So my colors are champagne, blush, and a slight gold. So what I'm doing here is my shower curtain. I'm going to change this shower curtain out as beautiful as it is. I hauled this about 5 years ago from Overstock. It is a beautiful satin shimmer with a little texture. But I need a change, okay? I had it up for 5 years, but it's time to change it out. So I am going to do a shower curtain out of a curtain that I hauled from Homegoods 3 weeks ago. I have a panel, so I'm going to put one on the left side and right side. And since the curtains are way too long for this space, and you see how it has an arch here, I cannot bring my curtain straight up to the ceiling. So what I have to do is cut the bottom, and then I'm going to do a middle as a valance, so I won't just lose that extra material. All right, guys, so this is your Mooregirl. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take measurements of the length. So from the bar to the floor, the measurements are 80 inches. Now I'm actually going to measure the curtains because the curtains are 95 inches long and I only need 80. So that leaves me 15 inches. And also you remember there is a hem that's going to be approximately 1 inch long. So I'm marking it here on the left side. And then I'm going to take it to the right side to mark. And then I'm going to mark it in the middle, just so when I can cut across, it will be pretty straight. You know, guys, Mooregirl is not a seamstress. I'm just trying to get this cut straight across.
Memory, talk to me. I kinda wanna understand what you mean when you say her and me. We never ever should've played it this real. Got me down under your thumb. Just let me out, just let me have fun. Memory, talk to me. I kinda wanna understand what I feel. I love her, I want her, I need her, but you're so serious. She's trouble, I trust you, I hate you, cause you're probably right. But I forget when she gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. My love, waste of my love. I'm the guy who never really said an easy goodbye. Always wait till it's too late. Just let it happen, leave it all up to fate. But there is a part of me, the memories too smart in me, telling me, begging me to listen to myself and let me be free. I don't want her, I don't need her, take it serious. She's trouble, move on, just do better, cause you're probably right. She gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. My love, waste of my love. Don't love her, don't want her, I don't need her, take it serious. She's trouble, move on, just do better, cause you're probably right. I kinda wanna understand what you mean when you say her and me. We never ever should've played it this real. But I forget when she gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my life.
So I am done this project, guys. This was an easy breezy project. As you see, it didn't take me that long at all, and it was a no-sew project. Just get those little bond strips from Walmart. There was $2.67, and you just hem, press, and it was it. So I got everything up. Okay, so I only needed one of the valances here because it was just too much. It was too short of a space for two. And also you saw me do the command strip, have it flush on both ends, okay, and not move. So guys, this is it for this project. So the next one is going to be that clock that's going to go up there. So that's going to be next week's project. This is your Mooregirl. Thanks for coming by. See you at the next project. It's your Mooregirl.